aba Inspire Africa ndabamuha bitongoro mu ihanga ibyehire yo kwebembere huru yo mubembezi w'ihanga yo kongera umutinda hamwane. Nelson Tugume urukura Inspire Africa ashoborere kw'abahinji beine kongera umutinda hamwani ukongera kutunga amagoba.
Variation, people think it's just getting coffee and roasting it and grinding it and added value. It's more than that. Most of you could probably have traveled or had on internet. I will just use one country like Dubai. They have turned sand into where you go and all your money is consumed. How do they do it? Everywhere you enter, they are milking you. They are getting money out of you. So one of the thinking that we should have, and as a people, is why this is the Africa Coffee Park. Can we attract 1 million tourists to come along the Africa Coffee Park and at the Africa Coffee Park?
Tugume ayonjire ashaba abahinzi okwatanisiza hamwe bakatungura umutindo gw'omwani ogu nagira ngo iki kija kweraho okongera kutungura ekingwe cyo mu ihanga.
A better quality of coffee, but they earn out of their product that they have sweated for. There is some free money that we are not tapping into. That is coffee tourism. I've told you, if the Africa Coffee Park here, you have 1 million tourists coming to the Africa Coffee Park.
Ibyo bikiri aho Bazizi Natamba uri umuhezi wa director wa Bank of Uganda ashoborere kw'abahinji beine kushyikirira za banka abo kuba government ehireyo akasente go kuyambaho mu buhinji bw'omwani.
The entire loan assessment process is conducted by participating commercial banks and all of them accessible by all of you around the country, including here.
Muringo Ngogume Kesha Masi Muga or director wa Mount Elgon Women in Coffee Limited ashoborere kw'abahinji b'omwani barikwetenga kushomesebwa okuba kubasa kubyara omwani je kandi bakongera na hamutindo ikiyagera ngo abahinji b'omwana bengi kibatsigire inyuma.
Most people don't know about coffee. They don't know the value of coffee, and whenever the middlemen come up, they just take up the coffee and they just don't know they need the money. So if we emphasize on trainings, if this organization, this Africa Coffee Park, joins us to train up this team.
Abahinji b'omwana bingi babire bafuna obutakwerwa kurabira omu commercial banks abo kugira ngo bamwe baba registered. Now as Inspire Africa nitwena ngutupataninga na unions tukufuna funding mu banks kwasa kubayamba.
Alex Byamgisha umuhinji w'omwani nawe ashoborere okubeine ekizibu ky'omushana hati nuko kutakira government okuba kwataraho okubahereza obwoma obw'okwiterera omwani gwabo.
Abahinji abahansi tire challenge y'omushana so kandi kina n'ububiri konka ko kutamu irrigation batunga sente batama mizi na production eyongera kandi omuyinji uganyirwa.
Abahinji okurwo mu district Nkamitoma, Ntungamo, Rubirizi, Kanungu, Isingiro, Guru, Kabare n'ezindi nibo betabira mu mushomogo. Makuraga gaca kwa Olivia Kamsime aba Sky TV ya Genshonga muri Ntungamo.